Dolores, bungto na tawhan, mutia ka, ngagin kalipayan. Pinaurabis kabus, hinin mga anak ay ahay, pinalabi kagud iroy tub-tub halubnganan.
The morning breeze, the misty air, the leaves dance in the wind, and the endless rhythm of current roam the calm rivers. These were the lullabies of my childhood. I have to leave them as I navigate life. But now, as my dreams take shape, let me take you back to where it all began.
Ako himoy Vince Baksan, ini ang Dolores.
Hidden away from the bustling progress of our community lies a vast expanse of farmland, the lifeblood of most Doloresnos. From planting beans to harvesting rice, its journey depicts our farmers' persistence. We remain resilient when challenged, and that's how Basan Isidro came to be. The community deeply collaborates to honor San Isidro Labrador, the patron saint of farmers. Ini nga panhigayon, nagpapakita hit pagiging mainampuan ng aton mga paratunga. Gabi sa anong nga panhitabo, nakabiling lagyapin rason para magpasalamat dan magbalos balik ang ating Ginoo. Beyond the spiritual observances, pagkatirirok as one of its elements fosters community spirit and fellowship. Butang na makalilipay, kinagpapakita ng pagkakaunala, pagkakaunsa. Dolores has now expanded rice farming, fish farming, merging two industries. The Project Lawa at Binhi has been established to ensure prevent food scars in the community. This is an innovative step towards becoming a fishery powerhouse. While Basan Isidro is not just every Doloresno's long-standing cultural belief, it is our stewardship to our homeland. For years, I have flown to different places, but my sense of communityship longs for my province. Nganan ako natunan, ibalagi habit mahatag ng kahimiyang hadughan at lugar kung diin kita nagtikam. So no matter where life takes me, I will always go back, right here, right where my heart rests.